Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at Costco Home and Auto Insurance for 2025. What it offers, how it works, and whether it's a smart choice for members looking to save on protection for their home and vehicles. Costco doesn't directly sell insurance. Instead, it partners with Connect, powered by American Family Insurance, to provide discounted insurance policies for its members. These include homeowners, auto, renters, pet, and umbrella insurance, all backed by American families' financial strength. Let's start with Costco Homeowners Insurance. Home insurance through Costco is underwritten by HomeSite, a partner company that handles policy management, quotes, and claims. Costco members can apply through the Costco website and are redirected to Connect, where they receive special member discounts. One of the standout features for executive members is the addition of free glass repair reimbursement and home lockout assistance, offering up to $1,000 for window repairs and $100 for locksmith services, up to twice per year. Costco Home Insurance provides the standard protections you'd expect: dwelling coverage, personal property, liability, loss of use, and medical payments. In addition, there are several optional coverages available, including identity theft protection up to $15,000, service line coverage, and equipment breakdown protection for sudden system failures in your home. Policies are available in most U.S. cities excluding California, Florida, Alaska, and Hawaii, where new policies are not being written. As for exclusions, Costco's home insurance does not cover floods, earthquakes, general wear and tear, or pest damage, though you can purchase add-ons for some of these risks separately. Pricing for Costco homeowners insurance depends on several factors: your home's age and condition, location, claims history, and coverage amounts. You can save through a variety of discounts, including new home discounts, security system discounts, roof replacement credits, and multi-policy bundling. Many members find that bundling home and auto coverage through Connect can lead to meaningful savings. Now let's move to Costco Auto Insurance. Costco car insurance is also provided by Connect from American Family, and it includes all the standard coverage types: liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, personal injury protection, and medical payments coverage. Optional coverages include roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and road trip accident accommodation, which pays for travel or lodging costs if your car is disabled more than 100 miles from home. Costco executive members get several added benefits at no extra charge, including lifetime renewability and free roadside assistance. There's also a glass repair deductible waiver, meaning if your windshield can be repaired instead of replaced, you pay nothing out of pocket. When it comes to discounts, Costco Auto Insurance through Connect offers multi-vehicle, safe driver, good student, defensive driver, garaging, and member discounts. Bundling auto and home insurance under the same provider can also result in additional savings. However, there are a few limitations. Costco insurance is not available in all states and doesn't include rideshare or usage-based programs. Service is handled entirely by Connect, meaning you're technically insured by a third-party company rather than Costco itself. According to NerdWallet, Connect's home insurance scores 3.8 out of 5, offering strong coverage and discounts but receiving more customer complaints than average. Meanwhile, the Zebra rates Costco's insurance at 2 out of 5, noting that while it can be cheaper, customer service and claim satisfaction vary significantly. Overall, Costco insurance through Connect is best suited for Costco members looking to bundle home and auto policies and enjoy exclusive membership discounts. If you already have an executive membership, the added perks make it even more valuable. However, if you live in a state where Connect doesn't operate, or if you prefer more flexible coverage and top-rated service, it may be worth comparing quotes from other insurers like State Farm, Progressive, or Travelers before deciding. That's your complete overview of Costco Home and Auto Insurance for 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.